There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 4th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking dry through the weekend. The weather next week all depends on the tropical situation. That's been the case a lot here in recent months. Let's talk about it. There's the upper air look. We have ridging beginning to build across the deep south and a pretty dry air mass and a chilly morning. Mostly upper 30s and low 40s, but look at Aniana. They've got 31. Mid-30s for Gadsden, Cullman, Haleyville, Birmingham at 42. We're expecting highs today in the low 70s in most locations. And again, the weather across the country is amazingly quiet. That's the watch warning map, and you can see there's just nothing to talk about. This is the severe weather outlook through tonight. So the tropics are the topic. This is a look at Eta, now a tropical storm that is inland over Central America. The top winds down to 70 miles an hour. The core of this thing will probably stay intact, coming through Honduras and Guatemala, Belize, and then it comes back over the Caribbean. And the Hurricane Center brings it up as a tropical storm to a point near Key West Sunday night. So what happens from there? Well, this is the tropical model set, and you can see most of them. You want to bring this back into the southern Gulf, bending it back to the west. We'll check the European ensemble. Most of the members do the same thing. They bend it back to the west, then curve it northeast up toward the Florida Panhandle of all things in about 8 days or so. Is this conceivable? Absolutely. But thankfully, the water in the Gulf is cooler and the winds aloft are stronger. This won't be anything like Eta was coming into Central America, but we've got to keep an eye on this thing. This is the intensity guidance, and again, you can see that most models do indeed keep the core intact. So let's look at the GFS here. This is the 060 run at 4 o'clock today. Ridging in place, beautiful day, sunny with low 70s for us. Again, much of the country, very quiet. Tomorrow, sunny, again, low 70s. Friday, partly sunny with mid-70s. Saturday, as the weekend begins, we're dry. We'll call it partly sunny, again, with mid-70s, and the same thing on Sunday. So things look dry through the weekend. Go to Monday, we're still dry, partially sunny with mid-70s. Tuesday, moisture begins to return, and the GFS really loses Eta. And again, that would suggest nothing more than isolated showers, and this is a week from today, Wednesday the 11th. Big trough in the west, ridge on the east coast, and again, moisture increases, and this is suggesting we'll see some rain at times a week from today. However, look at the European. It's got a tropical storm in the Gulf south of Navarre Beach. And again, this is absolutely nothing but voodoo at this point, 7 days out. This will change, but the idea of a tropical storm in the Gulf is certainly valid next week. No skill yet in determining how strong, where it goes. It's going to be something to watch. But it clearly looks like we'll begin to see a chance of rain in here in about a week, one way or the other. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday the 13th. Again, troughing to the west over the central states, and that looks dry for us as a cold front has passed through. The European shows what would be Eta racing out into the Atlantic on the way out. This is rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean between 1 and 2 inches over the next 15 days. But again, clearly showing signs of rain coming back out there at mid-month. And no more frost issues for a while. High is going to be in the 70s through next week. Lows getting up in the 60s as moisture increases by Sunday morning in the first part of next week. And this is the Cpc Outlook November 11th through the 17th. And this is based on the high amplitude pattern. Very cold in the west, very mild in the east, if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.